This is why you need chocolate fudge in your life. Quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, let's get fudgy. Here's what you need. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and 2 tablespoons of butter. That's it. First, take a microwave-safe bowl and pour in the sweetened condensed milk. Add the chocolate chips and butter. Pop it in the microwave for about 1-2 minutes, but don't wander off. Stir every 30 seconds until it's smooth and glossy. Now grab a baking dish and line it with parchment paper. Pour that velvety mixture into the dish, spreading it evenly. Let it chill in the fridge for about an hour. Patience is key, folks. Finally, slice it up into delicious squares and enjoy. So, to recap: sweetened condensed milk, chocolate chips, butter, microwave, stir, chill, slice, and devour. Easy peasy, fudge squeezy. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more tasty treats.